Snapchat has a new feature called Voice Scan that allows you to search for filters by speaking out loud. I'm Jessica from TechBoomers.com, and in this video, I'll show you how to use Snapchat Voice Scan. Now let's get started. To use Snapchat Voice Scan, open Snapchat and tap the middle of your screen to open the filter menu. At the bottom, tap Explore. To activate Voice Scan, tap the microphone icon in the top right corner and ask for the type of filter you want, such as Make My Hair Pink. Based on what you say, Snapchat will present you with filters the app thinks will match your request. Tap through the options presented to see what they look like. Once you've chosen a filter, you can snap a photo or video and send it off as you normally would. That's all it takes to use Snapchat Voice Scan. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every week.